Have you ever looked back at a year and thought, where did all that time go? Maybe you had big dreams for 2024, but here you are, still carrying the same goals, the same to-do list, and the same regrets. We all start the year with energy and motivation, but somewhere along the way, life gets noisy. Distractions pile up, routines fade, and before we know it, another year slips by. But imagine this. What if I told you that one simple, powerful habit could make 2025 the year you finally see real, lasting change? Not just more productivity, but clarity, peace, and the feeling that you're actually living your best life. Here's the truth. Most of us don't fail because we lack talent or opportunity. We fail because we lack consistency. Think about it. You plan to study, but Netflix calls. You plan to work out, but your phone keeps buzzing. You want to grow spiritually, but laziness whispers, later. Days pass, then weeks, then months, and suddenly December arrives and you wonder, what did I really accomplish? The problem isn't that we don't know what to do. The problem is that we live on autopilot, reacting to everything around us instead of consciously steering our own lives. So what's the habit that can change everything in 2025? It's something incredibly simple, yet life-changing. Daily reflection and intentional action. Every single day, just 10 minutes before you sleep or right after you wake up, pause, reflect, and reset. Ask yourself 3 questions. What did I do well today? What distracted me or pulled me off course? What's one intentional action I will take tomorrow to move closer to my goals? That's it, 10 minutes. But here's why it works. Reflection turns random days into meaningful lessons. Instead of repeating the same mistakes, you actually learn from them. And intentional action keeps you aligned with what truly matters, whether it's your studies, your career, your health, or your faith. Psychologists say our brain loves closure. When you reflect, your mind organizes the chaos of the day, giving you peace. And when you set one clear intention, your brain focuses like a laser instead of scattering energy everywhere. Over time, this habit compounds. 10 minutes of reflection a day equals over 60 hours of clarity a year. That's almost 3 full days of pure self-alignment. Now, picture this. By December 2025, instead of asking, where did my year go? You'll know exactly where it went. You'll see progress in your health because you showed up consistently. You'll feel growth in your knowledge because you stayed disciplined. You'll notice peace in your heart because you didn't just let the days pass, you lived them intentionally. This one small daily habit will act like a compass, quietly guiding you through the noise, making sure you don't just drift, but actually arrive at the destination you dreamed of. So here's my challenge for you. Tonight, before you sleep, spend just 10 minutes with yourself. Reflect, reset, and choose one action for tomorrow. Start today. And when you look back at 2025, you'll thank yourself for making this small but powerful decision. If you want more inspiration and practical tools to design your best life, hit the subscribe button and join this journey with me. Let's make 2025 the year we don't just dream, but truly live our best year yet.